Today we're making a rare find in the wasteland, the limited release Nuka-Cola variant, Quartz. In order to make Nuka-Cola Quartz, we need water, sugar, a vanilla bean, vanilla extract, heavy cream, and carbonated water. We'll combine the sugar and water, followed by the split and scraped vanilla bean and vanilla extract into a pot before heating until uniform in mixture. Unlike my attempt with Nuka-Cola Quantum, Quartz actually doesn't have any added food colorings, and I'm talking within the lore. Because of this, alongside having a white tint, it was advertised as a classier drink. It was also developed under the codename Angry Beaver. So, take that as you wish. Once our solution is cooled, we will add 4 tablespoons of this syrup to a cup with some ice, alongside 1 tablespoon of heavy cream and a cup of seltzer water. To me, this one tastes like the remnants of a root beer float, or like watered down melted ice cream. I don't mind it, but it's not great. So I think 6 out of 10 for this one. Anyway, if you like this kind of video, consider subscribing or come back, as I'm going to continue doing Fallout recipes and explaining a bit about their lore. And if you want to check out these recipes, unaltered by me, for yourself, you should check out the Fallout cookbook.